The difference between a paycheck and a legacy is this. One disappears on payday, the other leaves a mark on the sky. You don't need a degree to make history. You just need precision, hunger, and a place bold enough to let you build the future by hand. This is Marina, California, not Silicon Valley, not LA, a place where a new kind of future is being engineered. Welcome to No Brainer Biz, the place where you come to learn about luxury careers. Nestled on the edge of Monterey Bay, Marina is where waves meet wings. It's peaceful, intentional, and purpose-built for innovation. A short drive from elite universities, tech hubs, and coastal trails, and home to the Advanced Composites Center of Joby Aviation. This is where you come in. As an AFP lamination apprentice, you'll learn to operate robotic systems that layer carbon fiber, like weaving skeletons for a machine that can fly. Each fiber matters, each turn, each placement, because these aren't just materials. They're the bones of a flying vehicle that could change the world. If you don't make yourself essential, you become replaceable, period. And at Joby, they don't hire passengers, they train pilots of the future. Even if you're not flying the aircraft, you're helping it lift off. While you're learning, you're also earning. Great benefits like stock options, 401k match, free daily meals, PTO healthcare, career pathways into aerospace engineering. You're not clocking in, you're locking into a seat in history, and they're paying for it. 3. Real steps to start this career. 1. Learn advanced materials and robotics study via SAMPE. Understand fiber orientation, resin systems, and precision tooling. 2. Apply for the Joby Aviation apprenticeship. No aerospace degree needed. Just grit, obsession with detail, and commitment to show up and learn. 3. Get exposure to industry events. Join Composites World Webinars. Network on LinkedIn. Engage with EVTOL communities and tech makers. Fastest ways to stand out and get hired. Create a project portfolio, even if it's from hobby builds or simulations. Learn basic CAD or laminate simulation software. DM Joby engineers with smart questions about composite automation. One bold message can change your life. You can keep wishing you were part of something legendary. Or you can clock into the most advanced flying car company in the world and leave your signature in the sky. What will you do? Luxury isn't just what you wear, it's what you build, and who you become while building it. Until next time, stay inspired and dream big. Discover more in the description about careers at Joby Aviation. Next, check out this next video to go deeper into the luxury future of mobility.